Myself Ashok, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to see about on-demand provisioning. We can also call dynamic resource provisioning. In cloud services, service provider will maintain an agreement that is called a service level agreement, SLA. So commit sufficient resources. They should provide the sufficient resources over a period, for a particular time period. It may be CPU or memory or bandwidth, etc. There are two types of provisions. One is under provisioning and another one is over provisioning. Under provisioning means break the service level agreement and the provider have to pay the penalties. Over provisioning means underutilization or reduce revenue to the providers. The difficulty is unpredictable needs or failures, heterogeneity of services, or power management or conflicts. Now you can see what is under provisioning, what is over provisioning through the graph. Resource provisioning means fast discovery, installation of virtual machine, live migration and recovery. The example for resource provisioning is Amazon EC2. So they use Zen architecture in Amazon EC2. Virtual machine monitor also used in Amazon EC2. There are three types of resource provisioning methods: dynamic, demand driven, event driven and popularity driven. First, let's see about demand driven. Demand driven means add or remove resources based on needs. One processor with 60% of utilization is extended time leads to new resource entry. Below threshold, it removes the resources. And the second thing is event driven. Event driven means seasonal time. So it is based on specific time event. Predict the peak before it happens. The prediction may be good or bad. And the third one is popularity driven. Popularity driven means internet traffic monitorized. So minimal loss of quality of service if prediction is good. Next thing is dynamic resource deployment. Virtual machines are basic building blocks of cloud computing architecture. Scalability in performance. Inter-cloud gateway. IgG infrastructure will be used in dynamic resource deployment. Allocation and execution environments. Allocate resources from local cluster. Requesting virtual machines. Request other inter-cloud gateway when peak. IgG aware of other resources and services. Allocated distributed virtual environments. DVE manager do allocation and deallocation. Provisioning of resource storage. Storage layer on top of physical server. So storage layer will be available at top of the physical layer. The example for storage layer is email. Storage layer reliable high performance data storage. Barriers in cost, capacity, lack of query processing. Then file server. The example for storage provisioning is Amazon S3 and Google file server. You can see the structure of on-demand provisioning. Thank you.